Friends, in this video I will be discussing healthy Indian summer fruit, that is jamun. This is also known as Java plum or black plum. There are many names to be called. The fruit is sweet, sour and astringent in taste and give a purplish color to your tongue. Eating jamun fruit is the best way to obtain its maximum health benefits. Jamun can also be consumed in other forms such as juice, vinegar, tablets, capsules and churn, all of which have a variety of medicinal properties. According to Ayurveda, it is advisable to avoid the consumption of jamun as it may cause constipation due to its grahi, that is absorbent property. It is also important to monitor your blood sugar level regularly while using jamun seed powder if you are taking anti-diabetic drugs, as it can cause a sudden dip in sugar levels. Jamun helps in weight loss as it promotes digestion as well as remove excessive fat easily from the body. It is also found to be effective in chronic diarrhea due to its astringent properties. Jamun also provide relief from gas or flatulence due to its carminative property. Jamun helps manage skin associated problems such as skin allergy, rashes and redness due to its strong healing activity. The pulp of jamun fruit can be applied to get relief from inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. See the fruits. We will discuss health benefits of these fruits in this video. I will request you, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. This is the jamun tree. It is an evergreen tropical tree, a fairly fast growing species. It can grow as high as 30 meters and can live more than 100 years. Its dense foliage provides shade and is grown just for its ornamental value. The wood is strong and water resistant. Because of this, it is used in railway sleepers and to install motors in wells. The jamun tree starts flowering in March to April. The fragrant flowers of jamun are small, nearly 5 millimeters in diameter. This is followed by fruit which appears in May and June and resembles a large berry. The berry is oblong and ovoid. It is green when just appearing, pink when it matures, and shining crimson black when fully ripe. Another variety comes in white, and some people say that it can be used as a medicine. Jamun fruit is a mixture of sweet, slightly subacid and spicy flavor that stands out even after eaten, since it turns the tongue into purple color. The fruit is universally accepted to be very good for medicinal purposes, especially diabetes. The seed is also used in various alternative healing systems like Ayurveda, Unani and Chinese medicines for digestive ailments. The leaves and bark are used for controlling blood pressure and gingivitis. Wine and vinegar are also made from the fruit. Jamun can be used for the management of bronchitis. Jamun is a good if you have cough related problems like bronchitis. In Ayurveda, This disease is known as Kas Rog and is caused by poor digestion, poor diet and incomplete elimination of wastes lead to the formation of ama. That is, toxins remains in the body due to improper digestion in the form of mucus in the lungs. This leads to bronchitis. Eating jamun helps digest ama due to its pachan properties, that is digestive properties. It also removes excessive accumulated mucus from the lungs due to its kapha balancing property. I will suggest take 3 to 4 teaspoons of jamun fresh juice. Add the same quantity of water and drink after taking light breakfast once a day. Repeat daily to control the symptoms of bronchitis. This fruit jamun can be used for the management of asthma. Jamun helps to control the symptoms of asthma and gives relief in case of breathlessness. According to Ayurveda, the main doshas involved in asthma are vata and kapha, that is vat and kaph. The vitiated vata combines with dearranged kapha dosh in the lungs, causing the obstruction in the respiratory passage. This results in difficulty in breathing. This condition is known as Swas Rog, that is asthma. Eating jamun helps to balance kapha and remove excess mucus from the lungs. This gives relief from the symptoms of asthma. Suggestion that take 3 to 4 teaspoons of jamun fresh juice, add the same quantity of water and drink after taking light breakfast once a day. Repeat daily to control the symptoms of asthma. Jamun can also be used for the management of severe diarrhea and dysentery due to its astringent and antimicrobial properties. Diarrhea is known as atisar in Ayurveda. It is due to improper food, impure water, toxins, mental stress and agni madhya, that is weak digestive fire. All these factors are responsible for aggravating vata. This aggravated vata brings fluid in the intestine from various tissues from the body and mixes with the stool. This leads to loose, watery motions or diarrhea. Jamun and its seed powder helps to control diarrhea. This is because of its kashya, that is astringent, and grahi, absorbent properties. It helps to thicken loose stool and control the frequency of loose motion or diarrhea. Here suggestion is that take 1/4 or half teaspoon of jamun seed churn. Swallow it with water after taking light food to control diarrhea. There are also benefits of jamun for increasing sexual desire. Erectile dysfunction in men can be in the form of loss of libido, that is, having no inclination towards a sexual act. There can also be a low erection time or semen expelled soon after a sexual activity. This is also referred to as early discharge or premature ejaculation. Taking jamun or its seeds powder helps to correct male sexual dysfunction and also improve stamina. This is due to its vajikarana property, that is aphrodisiac property. Here I will suggest you to take 1/4 or half teaspoon of jamun seed churn. Swallow it with honey after lunch and dinner to improve sexual performance. Jamun also helps in protecting the liver. Jamun seeds powder protect the liver due to its antioxidant property. The antioxidants fight against the damage caused by free radicals and protect the liver cell. This helps protect the liver from certain illness. Jamun also has anti-inflammatory property which helps reduce inflammation in the liver. Jamun might help in protecting the liver and liver-related conditions like indigestion or anorexia. It improves digestion by increasing your appetite and also provides strength to the liver due to its deepana, that is appetizer, and panchana, that is digestion properties. Jamun helps in improving the immune system. Jamun juice might help enhance the immune system due to the presence of antioxidant. Vitamin C present in jamun fights against the free radicals and prevents cells damage. This helps to improve the immune system by reducing oxidative stress. Jamun is also beneficial in treating sore throat and cough. The bark of jamun tree is sweet and digestive and helps soothe sore throat. Jamun seed extract has antiviral properties which protects the body from respiratory infections such as asthma, bronchitis. Sore throat and cough are conditions that occur due to imbalanced kapha and dosha. Jamun helps to improve bone strength. It is due to the presence of minerals like magnesium and calcium. Jamun also helps to purify blood due to presence of iron. Iron content present in jamun improves the hemoglobin count. It also helps enrich blood due to the presence of essential minerals, vitamins, and flavonoids. Thus, the blood purifying properties of jamun helps keep the skin healthy and glowing. Please share my channel to your friends and subscribe. Here are some boxes above. You can click above to view more videos. Thank you for giving your valuable time by watching my video. Thank you.